Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Okay, but before starting the video I want to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment and your like is very important for me. So please do the comment and do the like. Okay, without your supporting I can't do anything. So please do the comment. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As I am saying that because I want to tell you everything. How did I learn English? How did I start speaking English? And how did I be perfect in English? Because I want to tell you everything. Okay, actually I want to tell you my speaking English journey. So first of all I want to tell you, if you don't have any environment, if you don't have any person, don't worry. Okay, this is your excuse who are making every day. Okay, so please don't think about this thing, because I don't have any partner and any environment. Okay, even I don't have any person. Okay, I have lots of person who are speaking English. Even after that they speak very well. So please don't think about this thing, because I don't have any partner and any environment. This is an excuse who are making. So even I make the excuse because I don't have any environment. So please leave it. Okay, only try to speak English, because your aim is speaking English. Your aim is speaking English very well. So without hesitation, without thinking anything, you can try to speak English. Okay, actually I want to tell you everything. How did I learn English? How did I start speaking English? Because when we start speaking English, so that times even I don't have any mobile phone. Okay, I didn't have any mobile phone. So that times I wanted to improve my communication skill. But how could I learn speak English? Okay, how could I start speaking English without any device? Okay, even I don't have any partner and any environment. I think this is the excuse. So leave it. Actually even I don't have any mobile. So after getting, I had a mobile phone, and then I started using mobile phone. So that's how I started speaking English, and I started watching the English video. Okay, actually English video is very helpful for me. Okay, actually when we start speaking English, so that times I didn't watch any English video. But after that I started watching English videos. So that time I couldn't understand very well. Okay, but this times I am able to understand very well. I can understand very well. So you should watch the English video more much. Okay, if you want to improve your communication skill. And then one day I saw one application, and then recently downloaded, and after that I started using continuously. So I kept using. Okay, so that's how I started speaking English. So if I am not that perfect, I am not telling to you I am very perfect. I am not perfect. Okay, I am trying to speak English well. So that's why. And next one, next when I speak English with myself. Okay, when I am alone at my home, so that time I speak with myself, and I create any fake story and then I speak with myself. Okay, this is a very good way for improving our communication skill without partner. Okay, actually I think every person don't need any partner. Okay, actually if you have a good mobile phone, good smartphone, you can speak with yourself. Okay, I think this is a very good device for improving English, for learning everything you want to learn. Okay, everything, I think. So that times I started using and started speaking English. So this time, and then after that I decided I should make the video. So then I started making the video, and I want to tell you, you know I want to tell you, when we make the video in front of you, so that times I don't have any script. Okay, I don't prepare any script, I don't make any script. Okay, without script I am speaking English in front of you. Okay, I think this is a very good way. I think this is a very good techniques for improving English, to be fluent in English. Okay, so without script you can try to speak English at your home. Okay, so I think this way is very good. And practice is very necessary. Okay, without practice you can't speak English. Practice is very necessary, so you should have the practice a lot. Okay, when you are alone, so that time you can have the practice with yourself, with your family members, with your friends. Okay, if you don't want to talk to other person as a public, so you can try to speak with yourself, with your family member, with your friends. Okay, I think practice is very necessary. Okay, first of all I want to tell you. So, and next one, don't care anything. Okay, only try to speak English because you want to be perfect. Okay, you want to be perfect, so don't stress anything. Okay, so please try to speak a lot. Okay, speak as much as more in English, definitely you will be improved. Okay, I have experience, so that's why I am telling to you. Even I am not perfect, I am trying to be speak very well. So that's why. Okay, so that's it. This is a my journey, and I told everything. Okay, how did I learn English? Okay, so if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. So please do the comment, do the like, because your support is very important for me. So please do the comment and like. If you don't like my video, so you can dislike the button. You can do. Okay, don't worry. Okay, you can do. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.